Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into Valero Energy's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Valero Energy's performance, especially given the significant developments in their operations and financials this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Valero Energy reported a net income of $364 million, or 1.4 cents per share, for the third quarter of 2024. This is a significant drop from the $2.6 billion, or 7.49 per share, reported in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in net income is primarily due to lower refining margins and increased maintenance activities. The revenue for the quarter was $32.876 billion, down from $38.404 billion in the third quarter of 2023. This reflects the challenging market conditions and the impact of scheduled maintenance on their operations.
Segment performance analysis. Valero's operations are divided into three main segments: refining, renewable diesel, and ethanol. Can you give us a breakdown of how each segment performed this quarter?
Sure. The refining segment reported an operating income of $565 million, significantly lower than the $3.4 billion from last year, largely due to reduced throughput volumes averaging 2.9 million barrels per day. The renewable diesel segment saw an operating income of $35 million, down from $123 million, despite higher sales volumes. The ethanol segment reported $153 million in operating income, a slight decrease from $197 million, but production volumes increased by 255,000 gallons per day.
Strategic initiatives and investments. Valero has been active in strategic projects and investments. Can you elaborate on their recent initiatives and how they are impacting the company's financials?
Valero successfully completed the Diamond Green Diesel Port Arthur Sustainable Aviation Fuel project in October, which is expected to enhance their renewable diesel capacity. They invested $429 million in capital projects this quarter, focusing on sustaining operations and regulatory compliance. Additionally, they returned $907 million to stockholders through dividends and stock buybacks, maintaining a high payout ratio of 84% of adjusted net cash provided by operating activities.
Financial position and liquidity. Let's discuss Valero's financial position. How is the company managing its debt and liquidity?
Valero ended the quarter with $8.4 billion in total debt and $5.2 billion in cash and cash equivalents, resulting in a debt-to-capitalization ratio of 17%. They generated $1.3 billion in net cash from operating activities, which reflects their strong cash flow management despite the challenging environment.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, what is Valero's outlook, and what insights did the CEO provide regarding their future strategy?
Valero's CEO, Lane Riggs, emphasized their focus on operational excellence and capital discipline. The completion of the SAF project is expected to positively impact their renewable diesel production. Despite challenging market conditions, Valero remains committed to shareholder returns and maintaining a strong financial position.
Key takeaways. In summary, Valero Energy faced a challenging quarter with a significant drop in net income, but continued to invest in strategic projects and return value to shareholders. The completion of the SAF project marks a positive step forward. Thank you for joining us, John, and thank you to our viewers for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Valero's performance in the comments below.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Valero's earnings and future prospects.